Good morning, class 11, subject accountancy, chapter 1, lecture 3. Hello students, in this lecture we will study about the advantages of accounting. So let's start our chapter with the topic. See, advantages of accounting. Number 1, helpful in management of business. Management needs a lot of information for the efficient running of the business. So all such information is provided by the accounting, which helps in the management in the following. Number 1, helpful in planning. Management would like to know whether the sales are increasing or decreasing. So they also want to know the speed of increase in cost of production. Means they want to know about the sales and cost ratio. So all such information is provided by the accounting, which help the management in estimating the future sales and expenses. Fine. Helpful in planning means accounting help the management in planning the cost so that it would affect the sale at a particular point of time, and it can see the increasing cost or decreasing cost and its effect on sales and demand as well. Fine. Second one is helpful in decision making. Management also has to take a number of decisions. For example, what should be the selling price of the product? How much discount should be offered to the consumers? So accounting helps all the information by providing this information to the management required for making such decisions. Next one is helpful in controlling. Management would like to see that the cost incurred is reasonable or not. Fine. It is the responsibility of the management that it has to see that the cost is reasonable or not. So accounting provide information to the management for this purpose. So accounting helps the management in planning, in making the decisions about the business, and in controlling the cost, and which affect in the increase in demand and sale as well. So it is helpful in controlling as well. Fine. Second one is provide complete and systematic record. The volume of transaction of business increases with the growth of the business, and it is not possible to remember all of them orally. So accounting keeps a systematic and complete record of all the transactions and summarizes them to show the true picture of the operation of the business. Fine. So accounting helps the management to provide complete and systematic record about the business. Fine. Our next point is information regarding profit or loss. Since complete record of business expenses and losses, incomes and gains is kept, so profit or loss can be ascertained easily on yearly basis. This information is very useful to management and the other users of the business. Fine. So accounting helps the management to provide information about profit or loss. Fine. Next one is information regarding financial position. When the accounting transactions are summarized on yearly basis, you know, we have to prepare, I told you, trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. So it shows the position of assets, liabilities and capital. So this information helps in ascertaining the financial position, financial soundness of the business. Fine. Next one is enable comparative study. The financial statements of one year can be compared with the previous year to ascertain the progress made by the firm in comparison to previous year. How it is to be done? If we prepare every year the accounts, trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet, so that it would be very easy for us to compare today's data with the last year data. Fine, beta. So accounting provide information regarding profit and loss, it provide information regarding financial position, and it enable comparative study of 2 years. If we are making the reports of the business, if we are making the proper accounts, so it help us to enable the comparative study. Next one is helpful in assessment of tax liability. Accounting of systematic accounting record help in determining the liability for income tax, sales tax, excise duty, etc. Even the accounting information can be presented to tax authorities for what we present accounting information to the tax authority for the settlement of our tax liability. Fine. So accounting help the management in assessment of the tax liability. Next one is evidence in legal matters. Properly maintained accounts supported by authenticated documents are accepted by the court as a firm evidence. Means if we are maintaining proper account, we can easily show these documents as an authenticated document in the court whenever it is needed as an evidence. Fine. Next one is facilitate sale of the business. If a business entity is being sold, accounting information also utilized to determine proper purchase price. Fine. Next one is helpful in raising loans. How accounting information is helpful in raising loans. Accounting information is of great help while raising loans from the bank. You know, accounting helps in preparation of financial statement. That means trading in profit and loss account and balance sheet. And banks and financial institutions grant loan to the firm on the basis of appraisal of financial statement of the firm. So it is very easy for the firm to take loan if the firm is maintaining its proper accounts. Fine. Our next point is helpful in partnership accounts. Accounting record provide the information needed at the time of admission of the partner, retirement of a partner, or we can say death of a partner and dissolution of a firm. So goodwill of the firm is also valued on the basis of accounting records. They are saying accounting helps in preparing partnership accounts because whenever any partner enters in the organization, definitely he would be interested in knowing the financial position of the firm. So if we are maintaining our proper accounts, definitely it will be very easy for the partner to see the financial position of the firm. Fine. So it is helpful in preparing partnership accounts as well. And last one is helpful in prevention and detection of errors and frauds. They are saying that accounting helps in detecting errors and frauds. How? If the accounting information is audited by an auditor, errors and frauds committed by the clerks can be easily detected. Steps can be taken to minimize the reoccurrence, means it would not be repeated in the near future. Errors and frauds would not be repeated in the near future by the business if the clerk has easily detected the errors. Fine. So it is helpful in prevention and detection of errors and frauds. Fine. So this is all about the advantages of accounting, or we may say the uses of accounting. Your homework is to revise this topic and note down in your prayer notebook.